Hello. I just wanted to have a video here announcing that we're going to be offering memberships on the channel now. I think the time has come where I want to do instructional videos. That's what the membership channel, the membership aspect of the channel will be about. So it'll be a monthly subscription. I'm going with $2.99 a month. I'm going to look to drop on average one video a week, instructional and content. It'll cover the various martial arts I teach. It'll also go heavy into self-defense. So I'll be covering self-defense topics from all kinds of grabs, hold, knife, gun, ground fight, everything. We'll go through everything. So there'll be a lot of things there that you can then take and you can bring into your classes when you're teaching. I realize a lot of people do not have access to an instructor in certain arts. I got a lot of people interested in Ishinryu and Matayoshi Kobudo. So we're going to do a lot of instructional stuff with those. Also Chen style Taiji Chuan practical method. Some feeding crane we'll do. We'll do just a bunch of different things. Also with the channel, we're also going to offer some live workshops. So if you're a member, you'll be able to participate in a live workshop. Might be as simple as me teaching a subject, okay, or me even just answering your questions, where I sit here and you guys ask questions and I answer your questions live, okay? Again, this will be a little bit more interactive. Your comments, there'll be questions, I'm sure, on the different instructional videos. I plan on answering those questions, okay, either in a future video or I'll answer them right there in the comments section, all right? I think the time has come. I've studied a lot of different things with a lot of different masters, and I want to record it. I want to get it there. The original Ishinryu DVD series will be available now only in the membership section. The original Sosu Ishido Jiu-Jitsu series and Sword series will only be available now in the membership section. But I will be doing new Jiu-Jitsu videos in detail explaining how the kata should be practiced. So that's going to be the big thing. These videos will be instructive in nature. That's the purpose. There'll still be plenty of content on the free side, okay? But this will be for those people who are looking to really understand these arts and get a little bit better handle on these arts. And if they're for someone that wants to learn the art, well, here we go, all right? So the first one's already up there, the Bohojido Matayoshi Kobudo. The original Ishinryu ones are up there. I'll transfer the Jiu-Jitsu ones soon. So I hope you'll consider joining and becoming a member. And if you have suggestions for other things we can do with the membership aspect, I'm all ears. And hopefully this all works out and we move forward and there'll be a lot of exciting content. All right? Thanks.